Hello, traders. I'm going to take a look at Tesla today and why this is seeming like a very good short setup. All right, so now we look at this is the price over here with the RSI, and of course, I mean you would be aware that it's gone vertical recently. Irrespective of what the catalyst is, the point is that it's gone vertical. Now that means it's got very overbought and it has gone way outside the Bollinger Bands. See, today is a down day, it's falling back in. But the point is, when Tesla moves, it moves vertical, it gets the shorts out, it makes people panic buy. And because the assumption is it'll go up to infinity, that's what always happens. Here you go. You saw in July we had a massive move. How did it end up? Right? Even in the past, we've look at this in 2023, summer of 23, we had a monster move. It got overbought, and that was the end of a very big move, which was followed by a bear market. If we go back some more, here you go. Once again, it got overbought, and there's always a catalyst. There's always a catalyst which makes a stock seem like it'll go up to infinity again, but it always fails, right? So you can see every overbought rally, and the biggest of all was back in 2021 when everyone was sure the stock will go to, I don't know, some I've heard all sorts of outrageous numbers. It got overbought, got outside the Bollinger Bands, similar to the way it is right now. That was the end of a bull market, and it has been in a bear market ever since. Here you go. So that is that over there. So the point is, this keeps happening with Tesla again and again. We shouldn't be chasing these moves. Now, why I think exactly yesterday was probably the top is because a couple of Elliott wave extensions, they are giving strong resistance up here in the 340s. And that's where price seemed to have topped out. We had a spinning top, and today we have a 6% down day. So that is indicating a reversal. And we've got an overbought reading on the RSI after 3, 4 days. And Yeah, so we have those Elliott. So the extensions are um, either this is a wave one in blue with a correction that ends up there, or this is wave one, two, three, four, five. Depending on your count, in both scenarios, we get resistance up here in the 340s. Right now, my big case is that I'm assuming um, this entire move here was a wave B. So I'm assuming that this again, these assumptions are wrong. It could be wrong. We don't know. But if you want to be bullish, and if you're assuming this was wave one, then this is an A, B, C correction. That's if you still want to be bullish, which could be the case. To be honest, you don't know that yet. But regardless, even if this is a bullish wave two, there's still a wave C coming back down in conjunction with a general drop in the markets. So I think the wave B has come to an end. And again, so if I just either this is an within the wave B, this is an A, B, C, either it's that or it is a five wave one, two, three, 4, 5. But again, wave Bs don't have 5 waves. So that's the setup regardless. It's very overbought. It's reached resistance, got outside the Bollinger Bands. Seems like we've got a reversal, clear reversal setup. So even right now, if someone were to short it, you could short it with a stop loss above the recent high. And that would still make for a pretty good trade. That could easily be a 3:1 with the target back down in the earnings area. This was the earnings demand zone over there. So yeah, that's the current setup over here. And in general, I am bearish tech more than the general market. So if tech goes down, this will go down with it. All right. Thank you. And I appreciate the feedback as always.